Want to make a snack with me? Today we're making ants on a log. Let's get snacking. First thing I do is gather my ingredients. After a long skateboard sesh, I like to make an easy snack for myself. Skateboarding sure makes me hungry. Kids have been making this snack since 1959. That's over 64 years ago. It's a mystery who actually invented it, but I'm happy they did, because it is yum. First thing you need is some washed celery, cut up into tiny pieces. You can make it with whatever spread you like, peanut butter, cream cheese, ricotta. My go-to is Cheese Whiz, the ultimate cheese spread. Then you top it off with raisins. 1, 2, 3 raisins. Perfection! The raisins look like tiny ants. It's a bit buggy of a snack. You could use a fork and knife, but I prefer to use my hands. Let's crunch and munch. Always with that H2O. Gotta stay hydrated. I like to have paper towels handy when I'm cooking for any unexpected messes. Whoops. Sometimes a sleeve will do too. This is a great snack to take to the skate park. Just grab your backpack and get moving. And for dessert, we have a beautiful red apple. Delicious. Snack is prepped. Let's get all our gear packed up. Joke time while we clean time. What do you call ants on a log with no raisins? Ants on vacation. It's time for the show. Let's watch together. Okay, see you next time for another Benny's Mini World Tiny Snack Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.